All right, so now what I'm going to do is I want to do this bevel here, again, from the center line to the edge, all right? And I'm going to do the same process that I did with the 8 siding. That is, I'm going to hold this edge up, and I'm only going to cut to the line on this on the edge I can see. I'm not going to worry about what happens at the center line, all righty? So in this case, here, and on this side, but I can do both sides at the same time. And then when I work it down to the line, I'll turn it flat. All right, so let me get this side done. Since I can. And in this case, I'm going to save the line so I have a little bit of wiggle room. But if I want to leave it thicker, I can. If I need it thinner, if it seems too clunky, I can always clean it up. I can always take off more. And again, this is a situation where I'm going to get it close with this big plane, and I'm going to finish up with a block plane because I can control the cut better with a littler plane. And that didn't get good. Oh! All right, now in this little bit of hollow section, I'll grab out the spoke shave and finish that up. In some ways, you've seen this general idea over and over a couple times. All right, so now what we'll just concentrate on one section here. We'll turn the oar flat. All right, now in this case, it's a very shallow bevel. All right, so it's going to be really hard for me to work to this line before going down to that edge. So I'm going to put slash marks in it now. And one of the challenges we're going to have here is that it's going to be pretty flat here, and then pretty soon it's going to start rolling into there. And a plane doesn't really like that rolling bevel at all. So what I'll have to do is shift. I can do block plane for a little ways. Okay. But at least with the big plane, I can get most of the material off. Sometimes if you angle the plane, you can get a little bit more. And you're basically making it shorter. It's going across here instead of the whole length. Okay. But I'm reaching a point at which I can't really cut anymore. So I'll try the block plane for a little while. And again, the block plane allows me to be a little more accurate because it's small. I really don't want to cut that center line off because so I'm going to stay a little clear of it. All right. Now, when I feel this, it feels rounded this way. So one of the things that I will do, I've lost all my pencil lines, but I'm just going to mark it again. All right. We know from the drawing that it's going to be hollow, so my curved blade will make it a little bit hollow, but yeah, I'm not cutting anything. All right, so I'm at the end of what I can do with regular planes. So now what I'm going to do is take the spoke shave, mark it again, make sure I got lots of marks on there. I want to be able to clearly see what I'm doing. One of the things that's hugely helpful with a spoke shave is you can see where the chips are coming out. You can see where you're cutting. to make it cut smoother. There's a pretty quick transition right in here. All right, so again, to make sure that I'm nice and flat there, I'm going to mark it again. Angle it a lot. And there we are. Nice and flat all the way through. That's not cutting anything right there. And I kept my center line. All right. This transitions here. So it'll go from the oval. It'll start getting sort of an oblong shape. And then it'll come to the hollow blade section that you saw on the drawing. All right. And I'm just going to repeat that process for all the 3 other sides till we have a blade shape. All right. Alrighty, there it is. Actually nicked the center line a little bit. So now there's the whole blade all beveled off. Okay? Ready for a little hollowing. And then the loom is ready to be rounded over. So the next time we'll show you how to do that stuff. So, one thing to notice here, I'm picking it up, it is very light. It weighs much, much less than the original oar blank that we made way back when class started. So anyway, until next time,